Good day, esteemed investors and participants. I am excited to present our innovative startup today, electrochemical 3D printing. This technology has the potential to revolutionize manufacturing processes, especially in the field of metal production. Our goal is to create a new, efficient 3D printing technology based on electrochemical deposition. Electrochemical 3D printing is a pioneering technology that uses an electrochemical process to directly print metal components with high precision. What sets our business model apart is the concept of printer as a service. We are not only offering equipment, but the comprehensive service, a platform that allows customers to order parts printed on our machines or to use printer via subscription. Current metal manufacturing methods like traditional machining are expensive, energy intensive, and less efficient. Existing additive manufacturing methods, such as metal powder sintering, also have significant drawbacks, including limited precision, complex processes, and high costs. Our solution addresses the limitations by offering a more efficient and precise alternative. Electrochemical 3D printing is an unique approach that forms metal components directly from metal ions, reducing material waste and increasing precision. This method allows also more environmental friendly and cost effective compared to traditional manufacturing techniques. We offer client access to 3D printers via subscription or rental, allowing them to use the technology without purchasing expensive equipment. The global market for additive manufacturing technologies is growing rapidly, and the demand for specialized solutions like ours is increasing. Sectors such as aerospace, electronics, and medical devices, where precision and customization of parts are critical, present practically promising opportunities. Our technology provides a competitive advantage through its flexibility and cost effectiveness. The electrochemical 3D printing solution stands out from existing methods. Unlike traditional machining, where a significant portion of material is wasted, our method creates parts directly from metal ions, significantly reducing material losses. Compared to powder sintering, our approach is more energy efficient as it does not require high temperatures. Furthermore, electrochemical printing ensures greater precision and control over the production process. We have prepared a basic financial plan for launching the printer as a service business model. Initial investments include printer manufacturing, facility rental, staff salaries, printer maintenance, marketing, and the development of an online subscription platform. The total expenses over 2 years, 289K. Project revenue over 2 years, 330K. Profit for the same period equals 41K. To cover startup costs, we need to settle at least 29 subscriptions within 2 years. With 20 printers in the first year and 35 in the second, we expect to break even around the middle of the second year. Today, we have a fully functional prototype of 3D printer which was successfully passed testing and is ready for market entry. We have already secured 80K in funding, which has been used to technology development and prototype manufacturing. The technological is validated, and we are now on the verge of scaling the and entering the market. Our team consists of specialists with expertise experience in science and engineering. The project leader is an experienced engineer specializing in additive manufacturing technologies and electrochemical processes. We also have experts in hardware development and programming responsible for the product's technological side. Our marketing and business development team has experience in launching innovative products to the market. To date, 80K has been invested in the project, and we require an additional 300K to continue development and bring the product to market. We are offering investors a 60% stake, ensuring significant returns on future profits. Electrochemical 3D printing is poised to become the next big thing in additive manufacturing, and we invite you to join our team and support this innovative project. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to answering questions.